स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस की क्या जरूरत नहीं है देश को? ढांचे में, अर्थव्यवस्था के ढांचे में क्या बुनियादी बदलाव की जरूरत नहीं है? या इतनी सफलता, इफ यू आर गेटिंग सो मच ऑफ पॉलिटिकल सक्सेस, वेयर इज द नीड टू टेक एनी रिस्क? चलने दो, चल रहा है।
यही तो पजल है, मेरे को भी नहीं समझ आता honestly. I mean, I'm being, you know, I've worked in economics for the last 35-40 years, worked in cricket for the last 35-40, I mean, looked at data. I just don't understand what could be the rationale behind our policy making. Why are they so comfortable? Why doesn't change happen? And I've got...
No, I want you to stick on to this point. There is another controversial thing that is happening. इस राजनीतिक सफलता, political success के पीछे one of the major reasons is freebies. ये रेवड़ी, which is a huge burden on our exchequer. We had a debt of around $57-58 billion in 2014. It's ballooned up to 225 lakh crores now. But we are still giving freebies. Freebies seem to be the all-purpose vehicle ensuring political success. Is that a bane?
You know, I accept that that is ensuring political success, but mind you, every political party is doing that.
Yeah.
So that cannot explain why the BJP is enjoying a flood of victories. That cannot explain. But it does explain, so therefore I think we concentrate on freebies. We are letting ourselves off the hook. We are not asking the right questions of our policy makers. So therefore, you ask them a freebie, वो कहते हैं हाँ जी ये बिल्कुल बात ठीक है. मैं भी कहता हूँ, the Prime Minister had said that we should reduce freebies.
Who needs it? Who doesn't need it? And
but the BJP is spending more.
वो गल्लू गारा हो जाएगा, घूमते रहिए, गोल गोल घूमते रहिए.
I blame ourselves.
Okay.
We don't ask them
That's a fair
the
point.
right questions. We ask them an easy freebie है, हाँ वो कहते हैं हम भी मानते हैं. फिर वो कहते हैं every party is doing it. हम क्या करें?
So let me ask you a pertinent question which I put to Montek Singh ji also. Confusion है क्या policy making को लेकर? एक हम जब अभी बचत के उपाय बताए गए और ये बताया जा रहा है स्वदेशी. Again, स्वदेशी is the big catchword like it happened in 2015. But at the same time, we are having FTAs galore. हम bilateral agreement कर रहे हैं अमेरिका के साथ. एक तो उनसे पैसे मंगा रहे हैं, उनसे माल ले रहे हैं.
एक मिनट रुक जाओ. And that's the core of the problem in Indian policy making. आपने USA के साथ treaty की बात की, bilateral agreements हो रही हैं. अच्छा, USA के साथ 30 साल हो गए हैं, 30 साल हम trade agreement करने के लिए, आज तक नहीं हुई. हमें वो सवाल पूछना है कि क्यों हमने US is our biggest trading partner. Everybody knows that we should be having a trade deal, but it doesn't happen. At the WTO, you read the literature, we have been the major obstructionists at the WTO. So therefore, there's something wrong, and I allude to, I am also searching for explanations. See, क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है? So I have come up with an attempt at an explanation that what explains the inaction, what seems to be inaction and is the operation of the deep state in India.